cousin. Remember my little business when I go up my day at the bar and something. You know, from me get little work, I don't really go there and things. So I get a couple of days of vacation, then I'm still on vacation and pay things to the girl. Then tell you say, at first, I tell you say, it come like a joke thing. I hear the bartender that them attack the things them and I not pay them no money, you know. But you know, say them money are out of order. Them out of order, you ever go in a bar go, hey, let me explain. How true I'm ignorant, they are not talk up and upside the down. Me at the bar, my bartender sick, so we end up having to just take 2 days, do 2 of the day then. I mean then I tell you so this man come in there and you know it's like how I'm skimpy and I saw this sexy. Worse than some place hot. You can go there in my shorts and my top blouse and sitting on there and me drink a one special. You know what that means. This man come him order one Lucozade. And Lucozade for 300. And this man pop up one Kyle. Pop up one Kyle, I'm only 5,000. Man pass all of $1,000 of them, you know, for going to Nijmegen. When he reach Nijmegen, no 500 I can say a $500 man look for. When the man reach Nijmegen, no $500. Alright, we take out $1,000 the man give me. So, we give him back him change. Baby. I can't get a number. Cause through me, remember me not go out to the bar like that, you know. Remember me not go out to the bar like that.
So you knew on him like new faces.
Yeah, girl.
And when did Avan one tie, jacket and tie?
Yeah man, like one of them undercover police boy there. You know them go on with themselves or something. So me I tell you, so the man come in there like, remember say I'm over at night time, me go collect my money from the bartender and lock up the bar. So I like me regular go they go sit down and man know me. So they must feel like say I'm a new bartender. So the man come and the man can't get to know man. Yeah, go like a hard for get me have my money, you know. I say boy, me have my money too, I'm just go so cause you know me ever have my money. I'm say look here, me boxing your face with this.
So when you have to do to me?
You know me have to do that. I tell you, see me have count, I say look here.
No, but if him did even kind, he would have taken out $1,500, you know, or take out $1,000 first. He might look for the 5 bills and then he can't find it.
Tell you.
That's when he decide to take out the one because dead $1,000 like $1,000.
A style him I use. A style. I saw them go a bar and to them feel like say, girl him I work a bar and I used to money. So I saw him come and I go and see me a counter. I say I owe him. I count $200,000 in a day. I don't like them, you know. That's why boy me I said, girl, you need to come out the door, you would have make me money. You need to come out the one of them there, yeah?
So much me I get to come out there, you know.
You can buy a special. Oh, you don't smoke me, that's what matter around. Boy, a joke. If you come out them, just make sure we carry over. When you come for as a matter of fact, carry back. But me buy a lunch, but you have to make the man and buy a drink. You can't tell your boyfriend so you just have money. Nothing, you don't have to eat, girl. You know my thing. I just make a whole lot of vibes. Cause you know, I have my money.
For that.
Yes. So I don't know question about that. I have to carry the money because told something at me. The man I go take out money, but yeah.
And you know, say just a couple hours and make this. Just in a couple hours and make this. I want my team.
I don't know what of them, you know. Them feel like say bar woman, everybody had the same thing with them bride self. We squander this. We just take this by ear and nails and do
one. Like you have a partner money when you last year.
Yeah, they look like a round robin money. Come see our name on it. But come and go over the bar because you want too much. You each up in a house too much, man.
You like drinking off.
Give me my money. Hold on for my money like.